In this video, you will see how to add axis labels in Excel 2016 on Mac. It's very easy. What you need to do is first select the data you want to plot and then go to the Insert tab. Select the type of graph you want. After selecting the graph, now this graph doesn't have x-axis label and y-axis label. And to add them, just click on the graph and go to the chart design tab here. At the left side, you will see add chart element. Click on this option and you will see the option of axis titles. Now because we have only primary horizontal and primary vertical axis, so we will select primary horizontal and then primary vertical. Now these boxes will appear. Just double click inside the box, select everything and delete. Now type what you want inside the box. So we have time in hours on the x-axis and amount in mg on y-axis. Once done, just click inside the Excel sheet. And that's how you can add axis labels in Excel on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Excel on Mac. See you again in the next one.